Jambo Farmsteaders, welcome to Kijani Farmstead, our happy place where nature meets innovation and where we beautifully live and play with nature. Today's video is a special one because we are not planting, harvesting, neither are we feeding animals. Instead, we are showing you how to make a farmstead a truly fun place to live. If you've been following our journey, you already know that Kijani Farmstead is more than just food production. It's about family, wellness, balance, and joy. We already have a gazebo for rest, reflection, celebrations, and hosting. We also have swings for kids, grown-ups, where grown-ups reconnect with their inner child. And today, we are introducing a new addition to our recreation area. This is a combined basketball and lawn tennis court right here on the farmstead. So please join me as we plan, purchase, and build this amazing space from beginning to the end. Let's turn this vision into reality, won't you? What's your name? What's your name? Ruby. What's your name? Ruby. Life on the farm is rewarding. It's also physical and demanding. We believe that a healthy farm starts with healthy farmers. This sports area is about staying active and fit without leaving the farm. It will also be able to enable us create intentional family and friends bonding time, giving children and adults a safe space to play, compete, and unwind. And it will also remind us that joy is part of sustainability. And as we say, a happy farmer is a productive farmer. At Kijani Farmstead, we never build anything randomly. Everything starts with a plan. So here, we carefully identify the right location based on space, drainage, and accessibility. Then we mark it out, for this case, the court dimensions for the basketball and lawn tennis, and then we ensure that it fits seamlessly into our master farmstead layout. Planning saves time, money, and future regrets, and that's the lesson we live by. The next step really matters. So here we identified a fundi with proven cabro and paving experience who has knowledge of ground leveling and drainage and also has ability to advise on quality materials and correct quantities. A good fundi doesn't just install. They help you make better decisions from purchase to installation. With the plan and team in place, we procure the right materials. This includes quarter-inch ballast, which is locally called as kokoto mchele, clean river sand, cement, paving blocks or cabro, and also road channels. Quality materials are the foundation of durability, especially for sports surfaces. Now, to bring the court to life, we sourced a basketball stand, basketballs, lawn tennis net, tennis balls for both kids and adults, and tennis rackets and racket storage bags. This ensures that the space is inclusive. It caters for beginners and also for seasoned players. Today I'm in the upper garden. This is our recreational space. We've been trying to upgrade the space. Initially I showed you how we made the swings, and we want to make this place very attractive, very interesting for everyone from the adults to the children. So where I am right now, as I showed you, we want to make this space the basketball pitch as well as the lawn tennis lawn. So I visited Nairobi Sports House, that is the Westlands branch, and I was glad to be served by Pato. So with me here, I have the basketball items, the stand. So I'm going to unbox it with you. And if you need anything sports, from balls to basketball stands to anything sports, from football, basketball to lawn tennis, badminton, everything, you'll find them at the Nairobi Sports House. So let's unbox together. So in this one, I have these balls. These are 3 sets, a set of 3. They're a bit squishy, so these ones are good for kids, as you can see. They're very soft and squishy, so they can't hurt kids. So these ones are very nice for kids. I hope they're going to enjoy this. And then this one here, let's try to open. Still sealed. Oh, so these are the adult balls. Yeah, so all these are balls. You can remove this now. So it has a very nice packaging for storage after playing. Just seal it like that. So that goes along with this. These are the rackets. Let's see how they look like. This is one of the lawn tennis rackets. Very strong, and this is going to come a long way. Also comes with a good packaging. After playing, you just sew it nicely like that. So we got a set of 2. Next here we have the basketball. I got this one. It's called Spalding FIBA approved. Yeah, I can't wait. Right now the lawn is not yet, the pitch is not yet set. We're going to do cabro so that you're able to dribble. But all in all, this is a good start. Yeah. Cameraman, can you? So next we are unboxing this one. Let's see what is inside. So as I've told you, Nairobi Sports House has you covered for anything sports, and they have branches in Nairobi at Sarit Center, The Hub, Moi Avenue in town, and Westlands, and many others. So just check their website and you'll see everything that they have. They are one of the best sports house in East Africa. So whether you want to buy it for homestead or for schools, they have you covered. So it's important to have such sports spaces in your farmstead. So this is the lawn tennis nets. Looks like this, made of very tough material. This is how it looks like. We got it in black. I'm not going to open it fully. We'll see it once we have the lawn set. So when you buy from Nairobi Sports House, you can choose either to have someone from their store to come and set it up for you, because the tools come, it comes separate, so you have to assemble it. They have done this so that you're able to transport it with ease. So let's look what's inside here. We then worked with a skilled metal fabricator to custom make a strong basketball base and a durable tennis net holding poles. Custom fabrication ensures stability, safety, and long-term use, especially outdoors. Now the real transformation begins. With the area clearly marked out, the first step is ground preparation. We start by clearing the site, excavating where necessary, and stabilizing the soil to create a strong foundation. This step is critical because whatever you build is only as good as what it stands on. Next comes marking and leveling. Using lines and levels, we carefully define the court layout, ensuring the surface is perfectly even. Proper leveling isn't just about aesthetics. It guarantees smooth play and allows water to drain correctly, protecting the court from damage over time. To support this, we move on to channel construction. Drainage channels are installed to guide rainwater away from the court, preventing flooding and extending the life of the paving. On a farmstead, working with water, not against it, is always key. Once drainage is in place, we begin ballast placement. A layer of quarter-inch ballast, also known as kokoto, is spread evenly across the ground and thoroughly compacted. This creates a firm, stable base that can withstand both foot traffic and intense play. With the base ready, it's time for the exciting part, laying the paving blocks or cabro. Each block is carefully arranged to ensure strength, alignment, and clean finish. Where the design requires it, blocks are precisely cut to fit corners, curves, and edges, leaving no gaps and weak points. After the cabro is laid, we move on to sand spreading and vibration. Fine sand is brushed over the surface, filling the joints between the blocks, so the entire area is then compacted and vibrated, locking the blocks firmly into place and creating a solid, unified surface. Finally, we wrap up with thorough cleaning. Excess sand is removed, the surface is swept clean, and the court is revealed, neat, firm, and professionally finished, ready for installation of the sports equipment and many hours of play. This step determines how long your court will last, so it must be done right. Once paving is complete, the basketball and the tennis poles are installed and left to set and cure properly for strength and stability. Patience here prevents future repairs. After curing, the basketball stand is installed and then the tennis net is also mounted. And just like that, our farmstead gained a fully functional sports pitch. Now it's time to play, laugh, compete, and unwind right at home. Because truly, work hard and play harder. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share so that it really helps our channel to grow. And if you would like support to design, plan or elevate your own farm or farmstead, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Kijani Farmstead. Until next time, kwaheri! And remember, one seed, one farm, one future at a time.